Hey y'all, it's your girl Honda Harley Girl. I'm on the way to Peterson's Harley-Davidson here in Miami, Florida. Today is their 67th anniversary party. Check it out and thanks for watching. And please hit that subscribe button for more motorcycle fun.
Every day, get Harley-Davidson on 441, bro. Yeah, free.
Two of my favorite guys, LJ and Winwood. Hey. Woo. Nice. is another Harley-Davidson event. It's lit. It's their 67th anniversary here in Miami, Florida. Woo! The Peterson's Harley-Davidson. Bikes, bikes, bikes. Motorcycles, motorcycles, motorcycles. Everything you need is out here. They even got the food trucks. They got the beer. Please drink responsibly. Woo! It's your girl, HondaHarleyGurl. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, y'all. Thank you for the support. And by you subscribing, that is supporting me. So please subscribe to my channel. Safe riding, y'all. Keep watching. My front tire was a little low, so I asked the mechanic, could he give me some air? And he did. Shout out to him for doing that because I was definitely low, and I learned that my tire pressure needs to be at least 36, the max 41. Okay.
That's the other bikes out here. That motherfucker hitting like a tire.
Is it low, sir, or was it low? It was, yeah. It was at 36?
No, it's supposed to have 36.
Okay, on the side right here it says 41. Is that accurate? Right here on the side.
That's the max, but they put on these, you can put 36 in the front, 40 in the back.
So 36 in the front, 40 in the back.
Yeah.
Okay, I appreciate that. Thank you. So
you
36.
can put up to the way it says the 40 something like that, but then it's gonna ride hard on it. You know,
okay. 36. Ooh, learn something new. Thank you. Oh, you gonna check the back too? Thank you, Jesus. How you feeling, LJ? Looking cool?
Hey,
just chilling?
Yeah, chilling, man.
Nice. That's all we can do. Yes, he's getting the back tire too. Greatly appreciated. The back good? Okay. So the back is good. Alright y'all, it's a wrap. I hope you enjoyed this motorcycle event here at Peterson's Harley-Davidson here in Miami, Florida. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please do so. Thank you for watching. HondaHarleyGurl out.